Hi friends, welcome to Zina's kitchen.
Today we will prepare Gujarati traditional dish Methi Muthiya. It is generally prepared in winter season and requires no specializations. These are the ingredients list that we will require to prepare Methi Muthiya. The same is also given in the description column below so that you can note down while preparing in your kitchen. We will first take 1 cup of methi leaves, that is fenugreek leaves. I washed, cleaned and chopped it. Put salt as per your taste. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. Half cup of gram flour, that is Besan ka atta. 1 cup wheat flour. I first taken half cup here and then later I will add little by little while kneading. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, that is Haldi. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, that is Dhania powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda or a pinch of baking soda. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, that is til. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, that is Lal Mirch. Mix well and keep aside. Here my friends, I've taken half cup of wheat flour and half cup I'll be using while kneading. Now after 5 minutes, in this bowl we will mix all the wet ingredients, that 2 teaspoons of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of curd, that is Dahi. This is fresh curd I have used. Mix all the dry ingredients here. Now knead to form soft dough. Now here while kneading, you will mix half the cup of wheat flour little by little. See, I have added little by little here. Here almost I have taken 1 cup. I have completed using the wheat flour. Friends, please note I have not used any water for kneading here. Here our dough is ready. Take oil on the palm and start making muthiyas. Take a small portion of the dough. Depends on the size of the muthiyas you're looking for. Likewise, you finished with the rest of the dough. We have almost completed. We have completed with the rest of the doughs. I made almost 25 muthiyas out of this proportion. Heat oil in a kadai. Check if the oil is hot enough to put the muthiyas. So here it is hot enough. Now put one by one. Keep the gas on a medium flame so that it cooks from inside also nicely. Fry till golden brown. So here our muthiyas are ready. This is the color, is the perfect color. Here our methi muthiyas are ready. It is nice, crispy, crunchy, taste awesome. and you will agree that it is very simple and anyone can prepare in this season. This winter season is the best season to have muthiyas at home. For more recipes, please visit my website www.zinapawar.com.
So, thank you friends. I wish you try this recipe and reply how was it. If you like this recipe, then please like my video. Also, please subscribe my channel to support me and in order to get regular notifications. Friends, please share my video to all your near and dear ones and do request them to subscribe my channel. To subscribe, please don't forget to press subscribe button which is just below my video. Bye friends, see you next video.